Hi everyone, my name is Amie, and this is a day of my life studying abroad. So my study abroad was located in Osaka, Japan. I really wanted to go to Japan to study, and Osaka sounded like the right place for me. Since it was so close to other prefectures that I also planned to visit, during my time in the country, I got to travel around a lot. Almost every scene in this video is quite literally what I saw every single day. So let me take you through my eyes and show you what Osaka looked like to me. My first stop in Japan was actually my layover in Tokyo, and they had this door to welcome you into the country, which was super cool, and I'm not even sure if I've ever seen that before in any other airport. This is my friend Chris, and our new friend we made at the airport while waiting for our connecting flight to Osaka.
I miss him already.
I lived in a share house, and this is a quick room tour of what it looked like before I unpacked. The house was located fairly close to the school, about like a 3-minute walk, so I got to enjoy the sight of these beautiful flowers while walking to class every morning, and I was very lucky to be staying so close to the school. Sometimes I got to see a school bus that drove the little kids to school, and it was kind of like an in-my-face reminder that Japan is a totally different place from where I grew up in New York. During class, we would always have time for activities outside of our textbooks about Japanese tradition and culture.
Whoa! 大丈夫ですか？エミさん叫んでるけど。じゃあ待って私も。こっちの方がなんかやりやすいかもしれない。
We even made avocado and egg sandwiches as part of our learning experience. I was on Team Egg, but we lost to Team Avocado.
アボカドと卵の授業。
We also went on class trips to explore the local community. This is us at the local community center called Joka. They had fun board games that kids usually played, free books and manga for you to read, and a space where you can generally hang out and maybe do some work if you needed to. We also visited a local middle school and got to talk to the kids and learn about the dynamics between the students, teachers, and how education, especially revolving around English language, works in Japan. Classes usually lasted from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., so we had the rest of the day to ourselves if we didn't have any elective classes. Usually my friends and I would catch the train that was super close to the school and head to the bigger city to hang out, eat lunch, or sightsee and go shopping. I saw Osaka City Station almost every single day, and I was there so much that I could probably navigate it through without a map. Since I'm a huge fan, somewhere I almost always went to was the Pokemon Center.
Show the back, show the back. Look at the back, guys. Anyways. Well, 1 year. Other year. Wow.
And to end it off, here's my friend's housemate and I on a trip to Costco that actually wasn't really near where we were living, but we went to it a handful of times because we needed to stock up on the groceries. And a clip of me trying the bulgogi bake because we don't have that in America. Thank you for watching a day in my life as a study abroad student in Osaka. This is truly a memory I won't forget, and thank you to all the staff at CET that helped me through my journey and my time being there.